How to fix Facebook Marketplace not showing. Let's get started. Launch your Facebook app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. You will land to the home page. Now navigate to the menu page. Once you land to the menu page, after you land to the menu page, at the top right corner you will find this settings icon. Click on it. Once you land to the settings and privacy page, you're going to find different sections. Scroll down. Under preferences, you will find the option of navigation bar. Click on it. Now click on customize the bar. Now here you're going to find this section of available and hidden. Under hidden, you might find the option of marketplace. Click on that drop down for the marketplace and set it to pin. Once you do that, you will be able to find the option of marketplace. If this solution doesn't work for you, what you can do is close this, launch your App Store or Play Store. At the top, you will see the search box. Over there, type in the app name Facebook and search for it. After app appears, at the right corner of the app, you'll find the option of open or update. If you find the option of update over here, just click on it and update your Facebook app to its latest version. Once completion of update process, you can check whether Facebook Marketplace option is showing or not. Heading towards the last solution, close this. Launch your Facebook, head towards the menu page, scroll all the way down, click on help and support, click on report a problem, click on continue to report, click on include. Now from here select the option of marketplace. Now here you have to explain that marketplace option is not available in your Facebook account and send it. After you send it, Facebook support team will get back to you, and with that your problem will be solved. So this is how you can fix Facebook Marketplace not showing. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.